People are making thousands every month on YouTube without ever showing their face. And guess what? You can too. In this video, I'll show you 10 faceless YouTube niches that are easy to start and proven to make money. From a niche that's making millions, to one that needs no time, to another that requires zero editing. I've covered it all. Just stick around to see what fits you best. Let's dive in, starting with a niche that's exploding right now. Think titles like Every NBA Era Explained in 31 Minutes or Every Empire Explained in 16 Minutes. These videos get millions of views because they combine two viral forces, curiosity and binge-worthy formats. Let's break down how this works. Channels like B-Ball Explained took off using this style, and in just 2 months, they hit over 37,000 subscribers and made an estimated $12,000, all by covering NBA topics using narration and pictures. No camera, no complicated edits. Want to start your own channel in this niche? First, choose your angle. Will you go broad like covering religions, wars, empires? Or will you niche down into a passion topic like sports, anime, or even world mythology? Then, create a script that simplifies a complex topic. Use tools like ChatGPT to write the narration, Canva to design your thumbnail, and CapCut or VN Editor to stitch everything together. And here's your edge. This format still has room for new creators and untapped topics. Up next, a niche you can start even if you don't own any products, but can still make money off them. Have you ever watched a top 5 best tech gadgets video and thought, I could totally do this? Spoiler alert, you can, and you don't even need to own the products. This niche is blowing up because it combines product reviews with affiliate marketing, creating multiple income streams from a single video. You're not just making ad revenue, you're earning commissions when people buy through your links. Here's how you can start your own. Research 5 popular tech products. Write a short script highlighting the key features. Grab demo clips from manufacturer websites or Amazon listings. Use a screen recorder or editing app to stitch it all together. Don't forget to add your affiliate links in the description. Sign up for Amazon Associates or other affiliate programs. When someone watches and clicks your link to buy, that's passive income on autopilot. What if your knowledge of a single software could turn into a 6-figure income, even without a big audience? That's exactly what's happening in the software tutorial niche. Take Chris Notion. He teaches Notion, sells templates, runs courses, and reportedly earns over $5,000, all from simple tutorials. To get started, pick one tool. Create tutorials like how to build a calendar in Notion or how to animate in Canva. Use Loom or OBS to screen record and narrate clearly. Monetize with templates, affiliate links, or premium resources. What if I told you that stick figures, yes, simple line drawings, could bring in over 2 million views a month? That's the reality behind one of YouTube's most underrated content styles, animated explainer videos using stick figures. Let's talk about Productive Peter. He creates self-improvement and productivity videos using nothing but basic animations. His videos are clean, focused, and super engaging. With just 48 uploads, he's pulled in over 260,000 subscribers and likely earns over $10,000 monthly. The genius here is simplicity. Tools like Animaker, Vyond, or even Canva's animation features are enough to bring your ideas to life. Just script your video, record your voice, then drop in characters, icons, and transitions. And here's your next cliffhanger. There's another niche where you also don't need original content, but it's racking up tens of millions of views. Let's get into that one next. Imagine using other people's videos to build a YouTube channel that makes over $20,000 per month. Sounds wild? That's the power of dashcam footage commentary, a faceless niche that relies on user-submitted or publicly available clips. Let's take dashcam lessons. Their videos often rack up between 10 to 30 million views, and with an estimated RPM of $2.70, they're reportedly making around $24,000 monthly. That's with commentary, simple editing, and clips that viewers can't stop watching. Here's how it works. Source dashcam footage that's public domain or user-submitted. Add educational or humorous commentary to turn the clips into transformative content. You're not just showing accidents, you're teaching lessons, highlighting driver behavior, or entertaining your audience. Use a compelling voiceover and focus on good pacing. Add impact sounds, reaction text, or on-screen notes to boost retention. And don't forget a killer thumbnail that screams, "Watch this!" What if you could turn your love for maps and world events into a YouTube channel that brings in $80,000 per month? Welcome to the world of geopolitical analysis, a smart, data-driven niche with massive potential. Let's break it down with real-life lore. This channel creates beautifully narrated videos explaining country politics, border conflicts, and global trends. And with over 15 million views a month, they're estimated to be earning upwards of $80K just from ad revenue. To start your own channel, you don't need a PhD in political science. Use trending geopolitical topics or quirky questions like, why is Alaska part of the US? What if Taiwan becomes independent? Script your content with help from tools like ChatGPT. Then add animated maps using Canva, Flourish, or even simple PowerPoint slides. And don't overlook monetization. This niche attracts a high-income audience, making it ideal for sponsorships, memberships, and digital products. Still with me? Because up next is a niche that blends education with pure storytelling, and it's one of the newest viral formats. What if you could build a viral channel around the strangest historical facts or weird life scenarios just by answering one simple question? Why did it suck to be this person or that thing? That's the exact strategy behind the why it sucked to be me niche. Channels like Jinx have mastered this format, creating videos like why it sucked to be a ninja or why it sucked to be a hitman. Their animated storytelling has earned them over 500,000 views per month and growing. To launch your own version, you'll need to pick unexpected or lesser-known topics. Script the narrative using a mix of humor, history, and psychology. Then animate it using stick figures, icons, or motion graphics. Canva and Animaker work great here too. Look at Steve Builds websites. His tutorials on WordPress and Elementor not only help people design stunning websites, but also serve as a gateway to his affiliate links, templates, and done-for-you services. That means he's making money from multiple angles, without ever showing his face. To start, pick a platform like WordPress, Framer, or Wix. Create beginner-friendly tutorials like how to build a personal blog in 30 minutes, or best portfolio themes for freelancers. Record your screen, explain each step, and upload consistently. What do borders, flags, and countries have in common? They make amazing content. Geography channels are going viral, especially in shorts. Cognize is a prime example. With animated maps, they explore curious geopolitical topics and rack up millions of views, sometimes 17 million per video. That's no small feat for a channel that focuses on education. Want to start? Use Canva or MapChart to animate topics like countries that no longer exist, or why Africa's borders are so weird. Narrate clearly and keep the pacing tight. You've seen it. Shark attack surfer, man survives bear encounter. These stories dominate YouTube, and for good reason. Final Affliction has built an empire from true encounters between humans and wild animals. Their storytelling pulls you in emotionally and keeps you watching with suspenseful narration and cinematic visuals. Here's how to replicate it. Dig up real-life survival stories from blogs or Reddit, script them with tension, and pair with AI visuals, stock footage, and chilling soundtracks. Focus on fear, surprise, and emotional pacing. You just learned 10 faceless YouTube niches that are proven to work. And I didn't just name them. I showed you real channels, step-by-step strategies, and monetization playbooks. Now it's your turn. Pick a niche that excites you. Start with what you have. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be published.